Alex, I'm going to be walking you through a next video module called how do you make slash start a theme page. So the Instagram theme page process is pretty self-explanatory. It's divided into steps. So each step has its own, obviously, definition and thing and goal you need to accomplish. So it's all lined out in steps since you can't start at making money right away. So first, step one, develop your why slash goal. This is super important because defining your why slash goal will create a whole roadmap for you, right? So let's say I have a why to help my family to become financially free, or to spend more time with my family and to be able to travel the world, right? That's something I've always wanted to do. Then the goal could be to make a lot of money to be able to do that, right? And this will give you a more direct direction with where you want to go with your Instagram theme page. Because if I, for example, start an Instagram theme page, you obviously have a wide range of different Instagram theme page topics to choose between, and each topic has its own definition slash goal attached to that topic, right? So let's say you start a travel page, then let's say you want to grow a lot of followers, then start a travel page, and let's say your passion is to travel and to post content around traveling, right? Then post and make content around traveling. So step two, choose your theme based on your goals, prior knowledge slash experience, or and your passion, right? So let's say I have a passion, as I just mentioned, choosing your theme. Let's say I have a passion around traveling and my goal is to gain a lot of followers. Then I know, for example, that theme would suit me better than business, gym, entrepreneurship, masculinity, etc. Based on goals, as I mentioned before, let's say you have a goal to make 10K a month, then I can already tell you that a certain amount of niched pages would be less likely to make you 10K a month than other pages. Step three, profile creation. This is pretty self-explanatory. Everything in your profile is based around, so for example, your username, name, bio, color scheme, highlights, content pillars. Those are all the things people can see on your page when they actually hop onto your page and visit your page. What are the things they can basically see? Are they the highlights, the profile picture, the color scheme, the content you actually do post? So every little thing on the Instagram theme page matters, because the whole goal is to get a lot of eyeballs to your page and then convert those people to followers, right? Then step four, content balance between video and photo. So you have to decide for yourself what is the the balance going to be, the ratio be between, for example, video and photo. So you have reels, you also have different long form content you can post, but I would just stick to reels. And then for the photos, you want to do infographics, quotes, tips, news, carousels, etc., right? So you have to define how much you want to do per week, and then you can already calculate how much you need, for example, for a month's worth of content. So let's say you choose between a 50-50 between video and photo. You want to post 20 per week, which will result in obviously 80 per month. Then you need 40 videos and 40 photos, right? So you have to already map out, okay, what are the things I am going to be testing? What are the topics I can make content around? And then your pillars, right? So your pillars basically just mean what are the three pillars that you base your content around. And you can basically niche down in pillars of the three E's: educational, emotional, and entertainment content. You can niche down in each of those pillars with like, okay, I'm going to do more of this type of entertainment or more of this type of emotional. So in that way, you can really specify or be very specific, not sure how to say it, on the content you want to post on your page, right? So step five, growth, implementing systems that will create a baseline of growth. So the implementing of these systems are pretty self-explanatory. You have to engage with a lot of people to be able to get traffic to your page and then to convert those eyeballs to followers, as I mentioned before. So each of the prior steps are really influential and are really important to all of the next steps, because if you don't have a good foundation, yeah, your business or theme page is going to fail. Then step six, offer, creating something people will actually pay for. So creating something that people feel stupid saying no to, by Alex Hormozi, right? So I would just recommend you to read the $100 million offers book by Alex Hormozi, and to really focus on making something that you would even feel stupid saying no to for the price you actually attach to that specific offer. Then step seven, sales, learning how to sell through your page and test your offer, right? So we're gonna especially test your offer at the start. We're gonna test it out in the marketplace, see how they respond, instead of mapping everything out A to Z and then opening your doors and being like, yeah, customers come here. That doesn't work. You can definitely map out a lot already for yourself, but you do want to spend your time on the most necessary actions every single day. You have to be continuously thinking, What are the things that will definitely drive me forward to the eventual goal I want to reach, right? Not the managing of processes, not the laying out of ideas or to-dos, etc., right? You have to actually spend time on the actionable items that you can implement every day, like engaging, like finding content, analyzing content, making a good offer, gathering feedback, connecting with people every day through the DM. All those little things will eventually reach and help you reach your goal. So I hope this quick video module was very valuable to you. You can definitely let it know by going to my Instagram if you want to, and then commenting under one of the posts, hey, for me the video module is super valuable, or in the community. Depends on where you see this module pop up. So yeah, I hope you found some value in this, and I'll see you in the next ones.